Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And I am headed into CVS to do the deals starting the week of August 27th, ending September 3rd. And we're going to do a couple of spend deals. We're going to use our CRT, get $10 off when you spend $70. We're going to get some glitch deals as long as everything is in stock. And if everything is in stock, we're going to get some pretty good stuff. Some toothpaste, some toilet paper, some poise pads, some Huggies, some vitamins. And it's going to end up being a money maker. That is if everything is in stock. So you guys want to make sure that you have your Ibotta apps downloaded. If you didn't download it, it's okay. The link will be in the description box as well as in the comments. All you have to do is click on it and fill your information out. And if this is your first time using Ibotta, when you redeem your first rebate, you're going to get $10 on top of the amount of your rebate. You also want to make sure that you download Fetch. I put the link there. And when you upload your first receipt for Fetch, you're going to get 2,000 points, which is $2. So guys, let's head into the store and let's get ready to save. When you guys get to the store, make sure that you're scanning like everything. So it has here that these poise pads are the ones that are on clearance, and you see they're all sold out. But when I scanned these are not marked clearance. They're $7.29, but when I scan them, they scan $1.82. So I'm going to grab these, and I'm going to use the $2 digital coupon out of coupons.com. So that's going to make these free plus a money maker. But then I'm going to also submit this to Ibotta. Ibotta is going to give me $2, so that makes this an incredible money maker. So when you go to your adult care section, make sure that you scan all of the poise pads, because you never know which ones are marked and which ones are not, and you might be able to find some hidden clearance and some money maker. Okay guys, we're going to stay in this section because the next deal we're going to do again is going to be on feminine care, on adult care products, and it's actually going to be a glitch that we're going to do. So we're going to do this deal here where you buy 2 for $12. That's the Always Discrete pads, and we have a little glitch going on. So we're going to grab 2 of these, and you can choose. They have either the very light, long, and they have the very light. Let me see if there's any more that are 2 for $12. I think that's it. So I'm going to grab these, and I'm actually going to grab the I'm going to get the very light long. There I go dropping stuff. You guys know it never fails. So I'm going to grab 2 of these. That is 2. So here we have 2. So you want to go into your CVS app, and there is a digital coupon that everyone got today, which is $5 off 2 Always Discrete. You want to clip that. That is going to glitch with either the paper version of this coupon that came out last month in your August PNG, or you can use the one that just came out today in your September PNG. So I'm going to use the one from August just to use mine up. And I can't show it to you right now because I got to dig through there. But that's going to be a total of $10 that we're going to get off in coupons. So that means we're going to pay $2 for 2 packs of Discrete, which is $1 a piece. That is pretty good, especially knowing that they were regularly $7.29. Oh, actually, guys, I'm looking. And actually, you can use the Always Discrete Boutique if you want to use those, because those are 2 for $12 also. So totally up to you which ones you want to get. Okay guys, so the next deal we're going to grab are some CVS Vitamins, and you see this week they are buy one get one free. So I have a $4 off CVS Vitamin CRT. So I'm going to grab one of these vitamin C's. You see they're $4.19. Actually, I'm going to grab 2 because they're buy one get one free. So I'm going to pay 19 cents for 2 things of vitamin C. I'd say that's a pretty good deal. Okay, next I'm going to grab one of these Charmins. It's the 6 mega rolls equals 24 rolls. They're regularly $7.99. They're on sale for $5.24. I have a $3 off Charmin CRT that's going to attach to this. So that means that we're going to pay $2.24 for this toilet paper. And I got to look at my app. I think I have a 25% off coupon also. So we're going to add that to the cart. We're getting closer and closer to our $70. Okay guys, so now we come to the point where this is, I think, my favorite deal of the week. It is an all digital deal and it is going to be fantastic. So this week you have the Huggies Pampers, buy one get one half off, and then when you spend $20 you get $5 in extra bucks. So you can, if you want to do this deal, you could choose between any of the Huggies. They're all included, even the pull-ups. But if you want to do it the way that I'm doing it, where it's only going to be like $4.25 out of pocket, then you have to do it this specific way. So you're going to grab 2 of these Huggies that are in, you can either get the size 1 Snug and Dry, or you can get the size 1 in the, Little Snuggler size 1. You can get the Huggies Snug and Dry size 1. You can get the Snug and Dry size 2. You have to pick the Pampers that are 32 Pampers or more in a pack, okay? So I'm actually going to grab these, the Huggies Little Snugglers. So I'm going to grab 2 packs. So we're going to pay, wow, that says $15.79. When I looked on the internet, yeah, we're not getting these. We're going to get these. We're going to get, do we want the size 1 or the size 2? Let's get a 1 and a 2. How about that? Okay, so they're $13.99. So we're going to grab 2 of these. Okay, so the first one we're going to pay $13.99 for. And then the second one we're going to get for half price. Okay, that's going to bring our total to $20.23. Now make sure you have your CVS app out, because there's a bunch of things that we're going to clip, as well as Ibotta and all of that. So you're going to clip the $2 digital in your CVS app. You're also going to clip the $2 digital in coupons.com. So that gives us $2 off this pack, $2 off that pack. Then look in your CVS app for any baby CRTs. I have a $3 off 15 Huggies CRT, so I'm going to use that. I'm also going to get $5 back in extra bucks because we met the $20 threshold. Then I'm going to submit my receipt to Ibotta. And this is the reason why we had to get specific packs that were 32 or more. Because in Ibotta, they have a $2 rebate for each pack of Huggies, but they have to be 32 or more packs. So, I mean, diapers in a pack. So that's why I got those. So that'll be $4 more back from Ibotta. Plus, we're going to submit our receipt to Fetch. And with Fetch, you're going to get points. And if you're in the Huggies Club, you're going to get double points. So you're going to get points for the Huggies Club plus points for your purchase. So it's like double dipping. But when I'm done with this, when this is all done and said, this is without any of my Fetch points, I'm going to pay $4.23 out of pocket for these 2 packs of Pampers. Guys, I'd say that's a pretty good deal. $2 and some for a pack of Pampers. You got to get it. Okay, next, guys, I'm going to grab one of these Cerave Bars. They're $7.59. I'm going to grab one because I have 2 $4 off Cerave CRT, so that's a total of $8. So this is going to be free, and it's going to adjust down to $7.59 because CVS does not give overage. Okay, next, guys, we're going to grab the Colgate toothpaste that's on sale, 2 for $7.98. I'm going to grab 2 of these totals. They're $7.98, and you're going to use the digital coupon in your CVS app that everyone got today, $7 off 2. So that means we're going to pay 98 cents for that toothpaste. And then we're going to do another Colgate deal where we're going to grab And actually, that is going to glitch with the $3 off 2 digital coupon in your CVS app. So actually, these will be okay, guys. So we're going to grab this Colgate toothpaste. That's 2 for $7.98. We're going to grab 2 of those. We're going to clip the $7 off 2 digital coupon in your CVS app. And then we're also going to grab 2 of the Colgate toothpaste that are on sale for $4.99. And when you buy 2, you're going to get a $5 extra buck. So you can see there are a couple different ones that you can choose from. Okay, I'm going to get this Fresh Mint here. Okay, we're going to throw these in the cart along with our other toothpaste. And we're also going to clip the $3 off 2 digital coupon that's in our CVS app, and we're going to submit our receipt to coupons.com for $1 off. And I have 2 $2 CRTs for Colgate that I'm going to throw in also. So, and we're going to get our $5 extra buck. So basically this toothpaste is going to be just about free. Okay guys, so our next deal is going to be on some Revlon products. They have a deal where you buy 2 Revlon cosmetic beauty tools, Almay or other things, and you get $5 back in extra bucks. So we're going to grab 2 Revlon tools. I'm going to grab one of these nail clips that are $6.79. And then I'm going to grab one of these eye styler thingies. I don't know what they're called, but this one is $7.49, and these 2 are going to add up to about $14. I'm going to use 2 different CRTs. I'm going to use a $4 off Revlon CRT, which was an instant CRT that everyone should have gotten on their account. And then I'm also going to use a $2 off select Revlon CRT. So that's going to give me a total of $6 back or off. And then I'm going to get a $5 extra buck back. So that's a total of $11. So we'll pay about $3 and some out of pocket for these 2 Revlon tools. But remember, we have the 10 off of 70. Okay guys, I'm at the $70 limit, but I'm still going to add in 2 more of the vitamin C that are $4.19. And the reason being is because I have another $4 off vitamin CRT that I forgot about. So we're going to get a total of 4 of the vitamin C. We're only going to pay for 2 because they're buy one, get one free. And we're going to end up paying 20 cents for every 2. Okay guys, so I'm back from the store. This is everything that we got. The 2 things of Huggies. I did get 4 Colgates. I don't know where my other Colgate went. Maybe it's rolling around in a car somewhere. The 2 Revlon tools, the 2 things of Always Discrete, the 4 things of vitamin C, the Charmin and the Cerave and the Poise. So let's go over our receipt. Everything worked out fine. This ended up being a money maker. So let's go over everything. I'm getting the receipt up now so you guys can see it. Okay, so first we have our Always. There's the 2 Always. There are the 4 Colgates, the Charmin, the thing of Poise, the CVS Vitamins, all 4. You can see they were buy one, get one free. The 2 Huggies, buy one, get one half off. And you can also see that the, where's the Poise? They were on clearance. 2 Huggies, the 2 Revlons, and the thing of Cerave. Now let's go over everything that we used. So here you see there's the $5 manufacturer coupon for the Always Discreet, the 50-cent coupon for one of the Colgates. There's the $7 off 2 Colgate digital coupon. There is the Always Discreet $5 digital coupon. So there you have the confirmed glitch for the Always Discreet. There's the $3 off 2 digital coupon. So there you see, there's the glitch already, because you have the 7 off of 2, the 3 off of 2, and the 50 cents. So that's really 5 toothpaste that we should have gotten, but we only got 4. There's the $2 digital for the Huggies, the $10 off 70 CRT, the $4 off Cerave CRT, the $4 off CVS brand Vitamins CRT, the $4 off any Revlon product CRT, $4 off Cerave CRT. That's the second one. You see it reduced down to $3.59 because the Cerave soap was only $7.59. And remember, CVS does not give overage. There's the other $4 for the CVS Vitamin, the $3 off Charmin CRT, $3 off 15 any Huggies CRT, the $2 off Colgate CRT, and the $2 off Select Beauty CRT, which apply to the Revlon products. So our total was $24.16. You know, we don't discuss tax, so we're going to ignore that 30 cents. So we spent $24.16 out of pocket, but we got back $15 in extra bucks. That's the $5 for the Revlon. That's the $5 for the Colgate. And then this is the $5 for spending $20 on the Huggies. And look, I even got a $4 off 40 for next purchase CRT. So that's a total of $15 back in extra bucks that we got. But then I submitted my receipt to coupons.com for the $3 off 2 Colgate toothpaste, and for the $2 for the Poise. Now, I didn't use the $2 Poise digital coupon in the CVS app because that is $2 off, and the Poise were only $1.84, so the coupon wouldn't apply. You have, at CVS, they don't give overage, so when you're using a manufacturer coupon, you have to spend the amount of the coupon or more. So I had to submit my receipt to coupons.com for that $2 off. And then I also submitted my receipt to coupons.com for $2 off of the Huggies. So that's a total of $7 from coupons.com. Then I submitted, and with getting that $2 back from coupons.com makes those Poise pads absolutely free. But then I submitted my receipt to Ibotta for $2 off. So that made the Poise a $2 moneymaker. And then I also submitted my receipt to, well, let me show you this, the rebates for the Poise, because I want to make sure that you're submitting for the right one. So here in Ibotta, there's 2 different rebates for the Poise. It's one for the Poise Ultra Thin, and then the Poise Ultra Thins with wings. So those were just the Poise Ultra Thins. So that's why I got the $2 back and not the $4 back. Now for the Huggies, I submitted my receipt and I got back a total of $4 for the Huggies. Now remember, I was saying that when you submit your receipt, when you get the Huggies, that if you wanted to make it a really good deal, that you had to get the 32 count or more. And this is the reason being, because the rebate for Huggies says 32 count or larger. So that's why I chose to get those. So that's a total of $6 back from Ibotta. So when you add the $6 back from Ibotta, the $7 back from coupons.com, and the $15 back in extra bucks, that is a total of $28. And you see that we paid $24.16. So that makes this a $4.16 moneymaker. Plus, I did submit my receipt to Fetch to get extra points for the Poise, the Huggies, and the Colgate. So I got $169 from Fetch, which is like 16 cents. I didn't include that in my breakdown. So guys, that is everything that I got from CVS. I hope you're able to do these deals. I hope you're able to follow along and go through your CRTs, match them up. Let me know what your favorite deal is. Let me know if you've done any of these deals. And until the next time, keep on saving.